As you can see, I have celery over here, carrots, onion. I've got like 6 onions, maybe 10 stalks of celery, and 2.5 onions. And what are we making? I am making a beef soup, kind of. And the beef is going to get made into another special thing. I'll explain it in a minute. And I almost forgot our garlic. So there you have it. Celery, onion, carrots, garlic. And we're going to put a big old rump roast in this as soon as I get it cut up. You hear the fry pot going. That's got the beef and all the veggies and seasonings. It's going to be so good. And I will tell you shortly what we're going to do with the meat. It's going to be fun. This is the meat that I pulled out of the fry pot, or pressure cooker as you might know it. And this is the broth. So, we'll see what we do. But the meat is going to get powderized. Okay. Since I've never done this before, I'm not sure how much, sorry for the shaky camera, how much to put in the Vitamix to zap it. So we're just going to do that much. Which is 2¼ cups of beef flakes. Okay, I ground that one. Just a series of high speed and low speed in the Vitamix. And that is it. Now I could probably put this through a sieve. I'm not going to bother. What we have here in this beef powder is the equivalent of $125 of beef powder that you can buy on the internet. It goes for $25 for 6 ounces. So, this right here, I forget, this is 30 something ounces. So, very worth doing this. And Dagny's done a taste test. She already loves it. So it's a win-win.